So here we have to find the number of 4-digit integers in this closed interval from 2022 to 4482, right? And using the digits given here 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. So what we can do, the starting number is 2022. Okay. The number has to be 4-digit number. So how many numbers are going to be there with 2 this place? Okay. So I have 6 options for this place, 6 options for this place, and 6 options for this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there, right? So in total, with 2 at this place, I have 6 into 6, 216 numbers. Okay. But I have to remove the numbers that are less than 2022. Okay. So what are the options then? If I place 0 here and a 0 here also, then I have 6 options for this place, right? So minus 6 these numbers, okay, and one more number I have to reduce when, let's say this is 2, then I can keep 0 here. So 2020 is another number, okay, that is less than 2022, okay. So with 2 at this place, I have total 209 options, okay. Now let's see the numbers in 3000s, right? That means 3 is here. Then how many options are there? Because I have to find the number in this interval, okay. So all the numbers with 3 at this place is permissible, right? So 6 options for this, 6 for this, 6 for this. I have 2, 1, 6 again, these many numbers with 3 at this place in 3000, okay. Next, if 4 is here, okay, I have to keep the numbers below this 4482, okay. So let's say if I have 0, 2 or 3 here, all the numbers are allowed, okay. So 3 options for this place, 6 for this, 6 for this, right? So this is giving you 108 options for this one, okay. And next, if I place, if I have 4 here and 4 here also, and I have to keep the numbers less than 4482, right? So see, 8 is here at the 10th place. That means all the numbers are allowed, okay. No matter what number you keep, it is always going to be less than 4482, okay. So 6 options for this and 6 options for this place, okay. That means 36 such numbers. So in 4000, you have 36 such numbers with 4 here and 4 here, okay. 4 only at this place. Here we have 0, 2, 3, and such numbers are 108, right? In 3000, I have 216 numbers, and in 2000, barring the number below 2022, I have 209 such numbers. So the total numbers possible become 209 plus 216 plus 108 plus 36. That gives you 569 numbers, okay. So in total, I can have 569 such numbers in this given closed interval formed by these given numbers here, okay. And obviously repetition is allowed, so that we have seen repetition is allowed. Fine. Thank you.